Hello. Want a bit of bread? What a girl. Yes, it is. What a good girl. Aren't you? Eh? There's a little boy going on, a little girl. Still pretty pink skin. Eh? Mum's still got the pouch all closed up around your neck, so you've got to say good day to me. Eh? Haven't you? The little one's got to say good day to the pet tame human. What have we got here? Are you going to steal the bread from the kangaroo, or are you going to come from the swamp wallaby, or are you going to come and get this bit that's offered for you? Come on. Here you are, Bob. Big moral decision. What do you want, Bob? Come on. You can have it. You got yourself a little bit. Come on, Bob. Here you go. Come on. Come on. You can have it. You want the bit of bread? You only got a bit of it. You only got a bit of it. I'll throw you the rest. There you go.